So when you want to run an eWIC balance inquiry, you would select eWIC balance inquiry, and then it would print out, it's actually 2 receipts that show the full benefit balance you have available on the card. But what we're going to do for our purposes today is a purchase. So we're actually just going to start scanning our products. So we have a WIC Allowed Jif peanut butter. And then we have some tomatoes. And then we have a bell pepper. So what I'm going to do is then search for the item. You can search under whatever it is up here at the top. I'm going to go to peppers, red bell peppers. It'll ask me for the quantity, and I hit OK. And then lastly, I have something that is not a WIC allowed item. So now it comes to the screen. Now I'm going to pay. So I'll hit pay. This is the part where you really need to be paying attention because there are 3 options for your payment method. You're going to choose other payment methods, and you're going to then choose eWIC. Now I'm going to go to the pen pad, swipe my card. It'll ask me for my pen. It'll take a bit to process. It says approved. I will get then a receipt, and that's going to show me my benefits utilization. So all the items that I expected WIC to pay for are getting paid for. And then I see that I have a balance due of $1.60. Now at this point I can choose to pay for that with another method here, or if I actually thought that was a WIC allowed item and I didn't realize it was not going to come off my card and that I would have to pay for it with my own payment method, I would then have a cashier come. So if we wanted to cancel out of this, you can hit the cancel button. Sometimes it would take a while for it to show cancel on the screen. Then you can hit the assistance button if you're not sure. Okay, would you like to continue with your purchase? You would say no or yes if you wanted to pay for it, but we're going to say no in this situation. And then at this point, we want to say yes, empty cart, and end transaction. At this point, you will have to have assistance from a manager, so they will need to come and void out your transaction for you.